Today I'll be removing the windscreen from my 1964 Land Rover Series 2A. A relatively easy process, although lifting the disconnected windscreen should be done with two people. For this step, I recommend the following tools. Randy's side and rear doors and her hardtop have already been removed. Starting in the front of the cab, loosen the wing nut that locks the windscreen in place. Pivot it forward until it clears the securing tab on the windscreen. Repeat this step on the opposite side. Next, disconnect the defroster hoses on both sides of the windscreen. Randy is an early Model 2A, so she has two separate windscreen washers. Disconnect the wires that run to the one windscreen washer, then repeat on the opposite side. At the bottom corners of the windscreen, loosen but do not remove the two bolts. I used an impact wrench to make the task easier, but I'm not sure it was necessary. Once loosened, carefully tilt the windscreen forward until it rests on the engine. Now remove the two pivot bolts, being careful not to let the windscreen shift, and finally lift the windscreen away. About 15 minutes to complete.